Welcome to Global Finex. Prem Kasi this side, a chartered accountant and a company secretary. In this session, let us see how to use an option called data table. You can find this option under data menu under what if analysis. So here the third option is data table, and the description of this option says that you can see the results of multiple inputs at the same time. Now let us take a simple example to understand it better. A company wishes to start its own operations and sell its product into the market, but it doesn't know how many units of products it is going to sell in each month, and also it doesn't know what is the sales price to be fixed considering various sales volumes. And talking about cost perspective, an amount of 30,000 is supposed to be incurred as a fixed cost per month, and also a variable cost of 4 rupees per unit is supposed to be incurred. So taking a simple example that company is selling only 5,000 units at the sales price of 11 rupees, total sales are working out to 55,000, and hence total cost is working out to 50,000, and thereby a net profit of 5,000 is achieved. So the management before starting its operations wishes to have net profit calculated for each of the possible outcome. With respect to sales volume, in the worst situation it can sell only 1,000 products, or in the best possible situation it may sell up to 10,000 units. And talking about sales price, in the best situation it can sell a product at 15 rupees, or in the worst situation it can sell its product only at 5 rupees. Now to have the MP calculated in each of this particular scenario, we may end up typing values manually in these two particular cells. So if you want to know what is the net profit in this particular scenario where your sales volume is 9,000 and your sales price is 11, so we will end up typing the values in the particular cells, right? So is there any Excel shortcut or Excel formula which can do this task for us? Yes, there comes the option data table. Now before calling that particular option, in the first intersection of two variables, give the resultant cell. So that resultant cell here is net profit. So I'm giving a reference of this particular cell. Yes, that I have given. Now select the full table and call data table option. Right. So now it is asking me what is the row input cell, what is the column input cell. So row input cell, which is sales volume. So that particular cell, give it as a reference. Now column input cell is the sales price. So give that as a reference like this. Click OK. Now you can see in all these possible scenarios the net profit is calculated. Let us start analyzing this particular table. If your sales volume is 10,000 units, your sales price should be at least 7 rupees. If you are selling 6,000 units, your sales price shall be at least 9 rupees. And same way, talking about worst scenarios, if you are selling only up to 3,000 units, your sales price should be at least 14. So these kind of insights or these kind of net profit or net loss or even break-even points are given by this particular formula. Let us see some of the other use cases where you can easily apply this particular function called data table. The first best use case can be EMI calculations. You can simply know your EMI by having a wider base of interest rate calculations and tenure of loan. The second best use case can be calculation of net tax liability by considering a wider basis of tax saving investments and gross earnings. And the third use case, I'm leaving it to your imagination. Do your homework and grab out the best possible application of this function. Hope you got good introduction about data table function. For more information on what if analysis functions like goal seek or scenario manager or even solver, please do check our previous videos on our channel. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe to our channel. Stay updated, stay chartered. Thank you.